welcome back again to my channel. Hi guys. Hello, how are you today? Today is afternoon. Yes, afternoon. And I did not make a vlog like 2 days guys because I didn't after I did surprise Stephan because you know what guys, I have runny nose and I have cough and I'm not feeling well, but this time guys I will eat a mango so that mawala na tong ano guys, yung ubo ko guys, kasi sabi nila pag maasim mawala yung ubo mo. So I will eat this one, but you know what, it's too guys, but look, parang sira na guys, hindi na makain guys, pero I will try to open this one guys. I can eat this. Kaya din nila kinain to guys kasi masim. So I will try this one. Sakto guys is ano, pagpawala ng kape ng malamig. Yung sabi ni mama tsaka ng ate pang ano daw, pang pakate or pang tawag dito guys, much more uubuhin ka guys pagkakain ka ng mga maasim or ano nito. Gusto ko yung mangga, but I need to have asin. Asin ma? Asin daw. So I have salt here, so I need to open this one. So I'm not really feeling well guys, but my head is not aching anymore. You know what guys, last day, my nose, my head, my eyes, I have tears in my runny nose, and I have a little bit rough and it's itchy and it's aching. I don't know guys, so I did drink a lemoncito, like a green lemon. So yun na guys yung therapy ko guys, and then water, like infused water. I did gargle the lemoncito guys, and after I did gargle, and then I did drink half on it, gargle, and half on it I did drink. So now better guys. So I didn't take a medicine for it, like a new sip, like Saradon, like what's it called, for runny nose or for headache guys. I did not take a medicine guys because I don't want to take a medicine guys. I want a fresh fruit like and water. So this time I don't like to eat mango. So this guys is from Ray Kwabuk guys, and my coworkers did give it to me too. This one is okay, but this one is not good guys, but I'll try to open it. So I will open this one guys now. I don't have voice. I'm like my voice is rough, and my voice is rough like a boy, like a monster. I'll try to speak guys because I don't want my throat just relax, or what's it called guys, exercise, because I want my voice, because some other people guys don't have voice if they have like cough, because they don't want to talk. So I want to exercise my voice, even I vlog because I talk, so I want to exercise. I don't know guys. So you know what, I want to try. I have planned to eat this, that hindi siya hinog guys, but I did work, I didn't have time to vlog, and I'm not feeling well, so I did not eat this, or did not take a vlog in it. So just now, because it's my day off today guys, it's Monday today, August 12 guys, so yeah. Sorry guys if I don't have time to upload every day, but because you know I have work. if I don't have work, I can make a vlog. And but you know what, I really want to take, or I really want to, I really take a vlog, but my duty is morning, and after I'm so tired, and sometimes I can take a vlog, and I cannot take a vlog because, yeah, it's busy and I'm sleepy, and like now, I'm not feeling well, so I will not promise you guys that I will upload every day. But thank you so much, guys, for all of you, my supporters, guys, that we're going to 6,000 subscribers, guys. And I'm glad that you're still watching my videos. And hello to all of you guys. Hello. And yes, thank you. Thank you so much. And this is, guys, because they already tasted, because this mango is sour though, they said. They already tasted. And I said, yes, I like it. You know what, my tongue is a little saliva showering in my mouth. Guys, parang ano siya, guys. Pakinog mo siya talaga, guys. So it is. So I will try to open this one, guys, if I can still eat this. Maybe I will open like this. No, guys, I cannot eat this anymore. Yeah, I can't eat that one. Maybe, guys, I will eat this one, guys, whole mango while we're talking, guys, because I want to share with you guys that tomorrow we have a party. Not party, guys. It's a pen building, guys. So I will take a vlog again tomorrow if I have time, if it's okay. Yeah. So see you tomorrow, there, guys. This I will take the vlog, and I don't have work tomorrow, but still we can get a salary. And today that's why I don't have work, because it's my day off, and it's it's holiday, guys. It's sayang talaga, guys, because it's not double pay. I don't have double pay today, guys, so it's my day off. But yes, I can relax, I can rest. So now I will eat this one. Eat. Nakasim talaga, guys, kasi ang amoy pa lang, guys, asim na talaga. Slam! Super aslom talaga, guys. Super sour. Sa Tagalog ka? Aslom. Kaya sa bulok mo talaga ako. Tagalog di ko na alam. Masin talaga, guys. So, aslom. At may nanghingi dito sa baba, guys. Yun. Kumain ng mangga rin. Kahit 2 years, magto 2 years old pa kumain ng maasim na mangga. So, masarap pagbabagoong, guys. Kaso, guys, wala kaming bagoong dito. So, yung asin na lang. Kasi, I don't know, guys, if this time I can eat this or I will vlog this one, but I don't know. I forgot to vlog this song now. So anyway, guys, tomorrow we will go to Pingua Beach Resort in Liloan, Cebu. So we will see tomorrow, guys, if it's the venue is nice and good, but we don't have choice, guys, because it's not mine. We don't have choice anyway. So it's Hawaiian team building, or our team there, guys, is Hawaiian. It's Hawaiian party, guys, but it's the building, guys. So, it's a green, guys, but it's really sour and it's maasim. It's aslom, guys, in Bisaya. For your slippers! Ang gusto ko talaga yung maasim, guys. Kahit ilan pa yung mangga. Surrender lang ako, guys, pag yung mangingilo na yung ngipin ko. Kaya masarap siya na asim, guys. Kain tayo, guys.
Sa taas o ubos? Sa taas.
And I did prepare already my things for tomorrow and my dress. We didn't have flowers, guys. Just a dress. I did not buy for my outfit tomorrow. I have Hawaiian dress when I did buy it last year, and then I did wear it in our Christmas party before last year too, and I don't want to buy anymore because it's floral too and it's Hawaiian, so I was waste money to buy it, and it's only one day, guys. So 6:30, guys, andun na kami, or even 6, like siguro tomorrow, guys, I will wake up like 4:30 and I prepare everything, fix everything, and then when we go to hotel tomorrow, so that we arrive from there. I mean depart in Montebello to Liloan Pengua Beach Resort. So it's free, guys, free shuttle, my van or free shuttle kami, guys, pupunta doon, guys, and free food from Montebello Villa Hotel, guys. So magandang paraan, guys, para makilala ba. And like 5:30 finished our venue, our team building tomorrow. 6:30 to 5:30 or 5. Free shuttle, free food. Just make enjoy tomorrow, guys. Timing, my day off today and tomorrow it's team building. But I have salary tomorrow, but today no. And so guys, yung ubos ko na. Before, guys, kumain ako ng mangga na hindi siya maasim, sobrang tamis. For ngayon, sobrang asim, guys. Super. So on Wednesday, I have work again, and then I will upload video because I don't have signal here. If I don't have signal, I cannot upload video, so I will upload in hotel tomorrow, guys. I will. This is my snacks. Batch 1 yung mahal, guys. start tomorrow guys yung team building namin. So batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, or 5 I think. Batch 5 I think only. So batch 1 so tomorrow will start it. So we're the first batch tomorrow guys. Bali na maasim guys. Basta masarap.
Dinusad sa Talisay City Government ang Ginasal Park sa Nakwayan. Ako sa gayong Ironman. Dilagsa sa mga tao ang Ginasal Park nga naabit ibutan mismo ang ubangan sa Talisay City Hall. Ikikinig sa plano sa Nakwayan sa pagbanhaw nga ang Talisay City o ang Lechon Capital sa Cebu. Ang park, Talisay, Gansa.
Usap sa problemang nihamon sa kamalayan ang bukod o sa puso sa komunidade pakunong sa breast cancer. Usa na kung kayo sa pasaba ang mamukuan.
Ito yung tsura niya guys, pero tingnan nyo mamaya guys, pagkakain ako ng ano niya, hindi ng mangga. Ang katawan niya.
Sa umaga sa Cebu City Health Department Party ang makupan. Pinahimulang po ang telephone sa Museo. Ang pag-ipagamit. 15 million pesos ang sigasyon sa repente. Kumuha ng kini sa anak sa mga illegal patients. Ibiro na isipan ang pagmamataman ng pagmamataman at kurang kayo ang mansini sa pahigusti. Ang ibalik nga City Health Officer nga si Dr. Daisy Lidia na kurang yan na sayan kanilong white elephant ang mamuman. Dito mo unang kini magamit sa kabaranggayan. Ipagkita ni Dr. Lidia ang sunod sa van kung kumplito kini sa state of the art nga kaimanan. Dr. kung saan siya nga
I think only saya ang ultrasound na direct matagal ka tuwas na po tala na sa bilang ko ultrasound ang mammogram sa Malaysia. So, kita mo ako pag siya nagamit ay mausarap doon pa kayo. Sayang na ngayon daw na from the
So, that guys.
sa pulang na ito pag magamit na sa mga consequence niya.
kung saan siya daw na particular
Sarap niya. Ang lipis niya guys. Sarap talaga guys, papain. Kulang pa.
This is actually the machine for the bakit kasi sa ato ultrasound sa bigas ko.
Kahit maasim siya guys. Sarap niya.
There is a link sa ato if they I
So, I'm done.
so if they
So, I don't have my hair. So, yun na guys yung chicken natin guys. That's for today's video. Super guys. Hyper. Sabi natin pang pa-anemic guys. So, laban akong tulog patay. So yun na guys. So see you tomorrow guys there in February. Make sure I don't make a vlog and I will upload it. So thank you for this because my mom is coughing there and I don't want to hear you guys up. It's coughing guys. So I'll see you tomorrow there guys, and thank you for watching my vlogs. And someone who did not subscribe it, just click the button below and just comment, like and share. So thank you so much guys for watching my vlog, and see you tomorrow guys. Bye guys.